Okay, let's get going. Continue where we left off. Which was, let's see, what do we have? What did we start implement? What did we? Yeah, so we can't. Okay, we have implemented that. So the next step would be like the UI portion of this. So we're going to need not this. We need that. We need the interactable tiles. We need the level. And not that. We need this level. And we need the player. To have a reference, let's also have this main over here. So when we click on a tile, it should pop up with the menu. And same for these ones. And it should also kind of work the same if we open up the inventory. Kind of. So we need a we'll need some sort of show UI function. Up in here. And I don't think it's this, because all of these ones have the visible tag. So not the image, not the button. It's these things, which will be like, for example, I think class, what am I trying to do? Not inventory, not that. What did I just show? How is this called? Show UI. It is UI, but it's like the basic, so like this thing needs to have a name. No, it doesn't. That's UI. Actually, it will need a name as an example. So it can just be interact UI and then parent class is UI. And then after that we go. Look. Continue. Okay, so we need self. What else do we need? Maybe we don't need anything for now. So we need self UI elements, and over here we're going to store all the buttons, the images, labels, and everything like that. Update. Time for UI element and self. Yeah, sure. And then draw Okay. Okay, but how did I do this UI? We had the tile interaction UI, which was this, which we did like that. We had some sort of callback. Which unsure, unclear. I'm trying to think what's the best way to do this? How would I do this? Because do we do it for every tile? Do we... show UI equals true. And over here we're gonna have if self dot show UI. Then all of this gets pushed. And then same with here, if self dot show UI is true, we just do this. And then we can have show UI self, and then like this. And then like this. So we set it like that. And then it's Gucci. Okay. So then with this, we could show some sort of UI. So let's just go ahead and create. Actually, we need more. Like so. And yep, I think that's good. So let's go class test UI, which is this, and then def self, just self. Yeah, we don't need much. Also, I think we will, but I'm unsure about that. Not 100% sure. Okay, so just because we have some more stuff, let's do this at 500 and maybe like 300 and 500, something like this. Let's just move them so they're in a different spot. Okay. So then from UI, we will that is not what I wanted to do at all. What is the thing? Okay, you know what? Let's just remove them. Let's remove that. Let's remove that. Let's remove that. Okay. So from UI, import UI. Yeah, that's it. And then self dot UI equals UI. There we go. Actually, no. We need to do this a little bit differently. And I understand now why. Manager. Self. UI. Use. Sure, let's do it like this. Update. Draw. Okay. So now these should be all good. I think. I'm not sure. I'm hoping I am right. Okay, UI manager. Um Nah. Yeah, this screamed crash to me. I already knew. What was the problem? Do you mean UI manager has no attribute UI elements? Did you mean add element? Okay. Okay. So let's have a self init UI function. And let's just quickly create it. So um hmm. Why did it crash? Oh, there has no callback. Yep, that is something that was, yeah. Okay, maybe we could have like this set button call callback. So self, we need the button and the callback. So like this. Okay. So hmm. Yeah, we can't. We need to. Let's just temporarily disable this. And let's remove this. Still crashes. Why? What's the problem now? This UI object has no attribute button. What do you mean? Oh. We're still, got it. Okay, what's the problem now? This UI object has no attribute handle events. Okay. Handle event, self event. There we go. Ah, there we go. It's working. Okay. So now what else do we need? We need a Doom. We need a collection of that are ready to be used. Example, FPS, counter text. What else? Close UI buttons and so on. Things that can just be added to the UI. That's it. Okay. Self IDY. And it's hidden it. Okay. 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 That is not bad. What exactly are the label? Wait, what is this one? It is font size is already set. Outline color and okay, so that is the outline. Got it. We don't need to set the outline because we're already like setting it, so we got that working kind of. Okay, it is very good. that I can just initialize stuff like this and then just in here just do stuff like that, which is very good, I would say. We just initialize that stuff and boom, done. But now we need a way to, when we go ahead and we interact with this, it pops out the menu. So that stuff, let's move this back. That is the old one. Since we're, what is, no, let's not have that. That is ugly. Okay, so over here we did the interaction. So if we interacted, it would show up like that. So it checked what tile we clicked, and then it did the proper UI stuff. So over here we need to do the same, because currently we have the system like where we click on a tile, we don't move, so we technically interacted with it. And now we just need to show off this UI. So over here we have the okay. I don't want to delete that. We can do it like this. So we did the stuff here. So where we interacted with it, that's where it prints. So tiled interact, which is this. So that up there is the manager. So now we need to pass on the we need to pass the UI somehow in here. And we also need to have a dictionary so like if we're doing the interact tiles, we need to have like a dictionary like over here. So tile, so if the tile is 39 and this one, and over here like if tile is 39, add it to interactable tiles. Same with never mind then. And then over here where we do that, we self-active tile, and then we just draw that stuff. We just need to do the same over here. So not over here. I guess it needs to go here. So I guess from UI import like this. I guess we do it like that. And then up in here we have a how did we do it here? So self so if the tile is 39 and we do test UI. Okay. Okay. Do we not that we do have hide UI and show. Okay, that is good. Where was I? Here. Okay, so we have added the map. Now we just need to okay, need to check file type correct UI. However I do this now, I know I'm gonna need to change it. So let's just do it like this. Wait, is that it? No way. No way that's it. Okay, close it. That's so good. Ah, it crashed. That's big. We don't. Those are in here. In Rectal Tile Manager. Like so. Okay. Nope. Still broke. Why did it break? Okay, it said that we interacted with the correct tile. But for some reason, I might be not seeing this right. I'm unsure. Let's see. Wait, no. Interactable tile numbers. Like, that's it. We don't have a player add. What? Okay, let's just go back to if self.tile type equals to 39. This, I don't expect this to work. Yes. Okay. That is good. It didn't break. Show you why. Okay. Oh. Because we need to... Oh, this is so... Oh, please don't let this be much worse than it is. I think the problem is because of the UI manager. Like, we can create the UIs and just add them to the manager. And they can be drawn like that. That's how that works. That's why this shows up. But in here, we don't have a manager. We just have the UI. So we need to... I can't have two managers. I can't have... I can't initialize another manager over here. Maybe I could. But I don't think that's a good idea. Actually... maybe I can make some sort of function that can access this manager over here and just send it over to wherever, and maybe like 3 like transfers before it gets to here, because we have access to the player. Where's the player referenced? In the level, and that's it. So if we could like, the problem with this is if I initialize the UI to draw stuff over here, then I will need another UI manager, something else for stuff like the health bar and everything else. Only way I see this being possible is maybe through this. We have this. Do we have a reference to the level? No, we don't. We can't even access the level through the player. Like, if only... This was so simple in my head, and right now it's just pain. Because it goes from the game, it goes to the level, it doesn't take anything, then the level is where we initialize everything and like update and run and stuff. And over here we have the player. Still nothing. And over here we have no level, no game, no reference. Over here we had a reference to the game. And in the old stuff we also had a reference to the level, which we could go back to and from. But right now I tried to avoid this. Actually, maybe. Maybe if I can... I can't. Actually, maybe. I have the level over here and I can access the player like this. So if I can get the player like that, and then in the level where we... Oh, okay. Maybe something, maybe not. So that's where we initialize the tile manager. Okay. The thing is, do I... Because even if I initialize the UI manager in the level and do it here, I still don't have access to the level. Although this is inside of the level. This is inside of the level. So maybe... Let me think. We initialize it over here. And we do all the updates, draws, handle events, stuff. And then what? And we need some sort of way for this. I need a little help from ChatGPT. So I need okay. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say to this. Okay. So you're telling me that over here in this one, you're telling me to initialize it like that. Okay. And down here, self dot UI manager equals UI. Okay, so we need this up here. And then down here, your manager file UI map get self tile type. Okay. If UI class. And then down here, and then up in here, add element, we need a element. But we don't need to. I don't think this is a good thing, but I will follow. And then when creating the interactable tile, of the UI manager, I know this isn't gonna work. I just know. There you go. Like, I knew this isn't gonna work. Okay, this is a very... Okay. I like this. And then in the level, we need to do this like this, and then self dot UI manager. Okay. And it still died. Takes 5 positional arguments, but 6 were given. Add tile. Oh. I think I know the reason. But let's just do that. I think the problem here is that it's missing the one parameter. 5, yep, that's the one. Because we're over here. We are adding the tiles. Right, this one, and we pass the UI manager. So, yeah. UI manager. Like so. Interactable tile. That. And this should work now. Okay, it did. But still now when we click it, it it disappears. Hmm. Broke because it doesn't have the UI tile map. It does have the tile map. What do you mean? UI manager. Where's it? Oh. I see now. So, um, Self UI manager, not UI manager. We need the wait, no. We I, we need a reference to this. Not the UI, man. And then down here, self file UI map. Get self file type. Okay. Manager. Okay. And then up in here, we need to pass the self tile UI map. So this should work. Oh, this is all going to be very fun. Full object is not callable. What do you mean it's not callable? It's line 62, line 50 start, line 39. It's all like so this part over here is the problem. Right? That's what I'm yeah, in interact, self UI instance, show UI, full object not callable. So if we can close that. If we go to here, UI visible. Okay, let's do it like this. Is UI visible? True. Is self.ui visible? Because I think it was possibly doing some. Yeah. This should work. Close. Okay. Now let's do a quick. Let's do UI. Super init and then self.label. Sure. And then in here, let's do 50. And now we interact with this, it opens that up. Good. We interact with this, and I'm sure it's showing the text. Huh. Oh. That makes a lot of sense. I thought something went wrong again. So it works. There we go. Okay. So right now, how the interaction works here is if I interact with this, but if this is the close button, I still can't move until I press escape. So I need to player interact and interact. Wait a minute. If I open it and press escape, I press escape and it works, so that's not the problem. Just because I click a button, it okay. That makes a lot more sense. So it's working, it's just that the other, like if I create an X button, like here, and I press this button, that's working. But also if I press escape, it's working. Okay, got it. Okay. I haven't experimented with this at all. I've never done anything like that. Let's see, could I maybe create some sort of thing for this? So that instead of here having to create the button, it just does it for me. Actually, no. Currently bad idea, because I don't know how everything else is gonna look. So just doing that might be for nothing. Yeah, let me just push this because this is working. So I don't mess anything up. Oh wait, what did I delete? No. Wait, is everything working still? Click, open, end, no move. Click, no move. Click, nothing. Escape, okay. Right. Um, okay, that's done. So now if I run it, the UI shows again. We do that. Nothing. Okay. So now the only thing that's missing to complete this are a few things. Player UI and actually inventory is going to be huge, but I can leave that at the end as the last thing. Because now I know how I did this. Because I will need to implement it where it works so I can interact both with this and this, because I can't move items from one to another right now. We need the UIs, and then we also need like this stuff so I can travel from stuff to stuff. Okay. So I guess the next step would be better to be the change to create the UI. Maybe. Because for example, the inventory UI will be toggled by the player. So whatever I have logic for this and to show them, that needs to work with needs to work with the current system, which is checking for tile interaction. But I'm hoping that with the UI manager, this is going to work so that I can access between the UI that's activated from here to the player UI. I'm hoping. Actually, I think this is gonna work because we already have the player here, and in the player we can just have like a self show inventory true, and then we can access it over there. So that should work. Oh, that is this. That is this stuff that I started before going to the UI stuff. Okay. I'm sure. Yeah, current orbit is, yeah. So I did all that stuff in the player. And yeah, I had that over there, which I don't think it's a good idea. If I have that here, and I can initialize it like this. I'm not making a database for this. I could use this to change the player's location. So if we're using this, and we need I guess we need this. And then up here, instead of that, we will use their location, which is 0, so everything should stay the same. Yep. So if we go up here and we change this to 1, we're at the moon. And this one, it still works normally. Okay. 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 So up in here, we could have things like change location. And then self-clear location is equal to that. But I actually no. Because if we do stuff like that, then okay, let's go up to here. And that is the hide UI. Could I now access stuff from here? Probably not, right? Probably not. Hmm. I feel like for every single function, I honestly have a bad feeling about this. Actually, this won't work. Just do it like this. Okay. If I do click me, yeah. I, I'm not even sure what this is. I mean, it doesn't exist. Um, like, callbacks icon path is none, so we don't have a picture. What's the problem with that? It's font size, none. Like, why would you? Missing an argument location. I know it's missing the argument, but the stuff you did, it's what? Okay, well, at least it doesn't break, but it's technically not working. Yeah, we don't have a check, which is if self dot universe dot player location not equal to hmm. That is a toughie. Let's do it like this. So self dot universe player location. Okay. And then we can use that. So now if self dot current level does not equal to self dot your location, this. Didn't work. Why? So we set the current level to whatever that is, and then we load the current level. Cool, okay. Then we go ahead and say if the current level is not equal to player's location, then the current level equals that, and then we load the current level. I Wait, didn't I have a clear? Yeah, clear level. Then whenever I changed the level, it would. Oh boy, this is more complicated than I thought. I think I'm going to leave this for tomorrow. Because I need to figure out a way to do this. I can't go. I possibly will have to. But I don't want to have like self.level equals level, self.player equals player, self.this equals, and then like that could work, sure, but I would like to avoid that. Actually, maybe that ain't the problem. That might act. Actually, I know a way I can test if this is working or not. Print. Hello. And let's just. Okay, not that. Level. Okay, these ones. So let's load in and give me this. Okay. So it works. It prints out hello. It's just that the changing level stuff doesn't work. Okay. I am fine with that. Okay, I am glad that works. So let me just do that. So I know that this works. It's just that the execution of changing the level is the problem. So that's going to be a task for tomorrow. And after we change the level, what else do we have? We have the UI side of things. What else do we have here? Okay. After we manage to do that with the buttons, this stuff should be fairly simple. And then we have this sort of UI and then the inventory. Okay. I mean, this thing took me, I don't know, 2 weeks plus, and then I just remade it. I would like to say better, or at least better code, and like what? 4 days? Yeah, 4 days. But it would have been like 2-3 days if I wasn't stuck on, I don't even know what I was stuck on last time. I think it was the interaction. Yeah, it was the tile interaction. Yeah. Yeah, those are the only things left before I can move on to the next stuff, which was, well, technically it was the inventory to do the transferring of items, and then after that would be some sort of, like, I guess, resource gathering. I'm not sure what I wanted to implement after. I knew I ran into issues with the inventory because I was drawing stuff all over the place. I had draw methods in my level, I had draw methods in the inventory, like it was all over the place, and I just couldn't, it was impossible to do anything. I was so not looking forward to remaking this, refactoring, but now I'm glad. And then I can also I will need to remake this. Because I need a better UI. Okay, this is not. Why is this not? Oh, it's too big for the screen. Got it. Or at least like this. Does this fit? Kind of. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, never mind. This was the stuff I used. Never mind. Okay, that's it for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Whoever watched is watching, isn't watching, thank you. And bye.